The conversation around enterprise AI has moved past basic text generation and conversational chatbots. Today, corporate infrastructure is being redesigned around multi-agent architectures. We are now dealing with AI agents. These are autonomous systems capable of reasoning through a problem, utilizing external corporate tools, and executing complex multi-step operational workflows without human prompting. To understand exactly where this technology stands, we have to look at live 2026 software telemetry and executive data from Databricks, McKinsey, and Gartner. Today, organizations are deploying AI as a core structural IT layer, demanding a level of engineering and oversight that goes far beyond simple desktop experimentation. This chart illustrates a clear bottleneck identified by McKinsey's 2026 global panel. While 62% of organizations are experimenting with AI agents, only about 25% have successfully scaled an agentic system across a full business function. However, zooming in on larger, well-resourced enterprises reveals a different reality. A slight majority, 51%, have now pushed at least one AI agent into live production to handle real workflows. Databricks recorded this shift directly through back-end infrastructure telemetry. Tracking over 20,000 organizations, they found a staggering 327% explosion in multi-agent workflows within a single 4-month window. Adoption rates heavily segment by industry. Banking and financial services lead at 47% deployment, easing agents for algorithmic risk assessment. Conversely, healthcare and the public sector trail behind at 18% and 14%, weighed down by strict HIPAA compliance and heavy security protocols. An organization's ability to reach production is dictated by the cleanliness of its data and regulatory burden. Ambition alone cannot overcome disorganized legacy databases. This visual compares the stark economic reality of basic customer support ticket resolution. Forrester data shows an AI agent can resolve a standard Tier 1 ticket for an average of 46 cents end-to-end, compared to $4.18 for a human agent. That intense cost reduction drives rapid returns. PwC reports the median payback window for an enterprise AI agent rollout is now roughly 5.1 months. Yet 19% of these rollouts fail to achieve positive ROI in their first year. The primary culprits are poor initial scoping and inadequate data frameworks that leave agents hallucinating or stuck in loops. Early attempts to capture those savings by entirely replacing human support teams backfired. Customer satisfaction plummeted whenever users faced complex, highly emotional issues that rigid algorithms couldn't parse. The 2026 enterprise standard is a tiered support architecture. The agent functions as a high-speed filter for standard requests, stripping away administrative noise so human experts can dedicate time to high-value edge cases. Consider an e-commerce edge case. A major storm cancels flights, and a premium loyalty customer needs urgent rerouting for a medical conference tomorrow. They need a partner airline override and cross-company baggage transfers. An AI cannot process the emotional distress or the financial nuance of this request. Recognizing its limits, the AI triggers a context-preserved handoff, passing a structured data packet directly to a human supervisor. The AI doesn't disconnect. It shifts into a co-pilot role, surfacing real-time flight alternatives on the human screen. As reliance on autonomous systems grows, security teams are hitting a massive ceiling. Vericode's 2026 updates reveal that while AI writes highly accurate syntax, nearly 45% of unguided AI-generated code still contains hidden security flaws or hard-coded secrets. The absolute most critical vulnerability targeting these systems is indirect prompt injection. A hacker uploads a PDF with a hidden instruction payload. The HR agent ingests the text, accepts the rogue command, and silently queries the internal database. It exfiltrates confidential files to the attacker, while outputting a normal response to the recruiter, hiding the theft. Because large language models natively struggle to distinguish between passive text data and active system instructions, leaving an agent unguided guarantees a critical security breach. To stop these leaks, automated pre-push gates are deployed locally. If a vibe coding agent attempts to commit code containing an exposed AWS key, the system intercepts and blocks the push instantly. Enterprises also use ephemeral token infrastructure. Agents receive dynamic, short-lived tokens that expire in minutes. By the time a token is accidentally leaked, it is already dead. Furthermore, agents are trapped inside sandboxed execution environments. By confining the agent to an isolated, disposable container, The blast radius of a hijacked prompt is physically separated from the broader corporate network. Finally, IT teams enforce strict outbound network Allowlists. Even if an agent is successfully hijacked, the network infrastructure physically severs any connection attempt to an unauthorized external domain. Security teams have stopped trying to train models to be perfectly safe. They accept the model will eventually fail, and instead architect zero-trust pipelines that verify and clean every action an agent takes. The average enterprise now utilizes roughly 12 highly specialized AI agents, often built on entirely different vendor frameworks. Coordinating them requires precise networking. This starts with the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, the universal USB-C port connecting a single AI model to local corporate tools. Zooming out is the Agent-to-Agent Protocol. This secure network mesh allows separate agents to discover each other, negotiate, and delegate long-running tasks. To prevent two agents from modifying the same data at the same millisecond, multi-agent frameworks enforce state separation and file-level locking, ensuring operations remain linear. Because independent agents can trigger cascading errors, A-to-A communication is wrapped in open telemetry tracing. Every action receives a cryptographic signature, allowing the system to instantly trigger a circuit breaker if an infinite loop occurs. Without strict adherence to MCP and A-to-A protocols, a multi-agent system degrades into a chaotic mess of overlapping API calls. With them, it becomes a functional digital assembly line. As we look ahead, Gartner predicts that by the end of 2026, 40% of all enterprise applications will natively embed task-specific AI agents directly inside them. In 2026, competitive advantage is defined by robust data infrastructure, standardized API frameworks, and sandboxed security guardrails, moving the focus away from the raw intelligence of the base model alone. True scaled enterprise adoption depends entirely on prioritizing this zero-trust architecture over raw text generation capabilities. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.